Hi, I'm Brian Beal. I'm a board-certified veterinary surgeon with more than 25 years experience in private practice and in providing CE courses around the world. I'm here in Colorado State University's new state-of-the-future CE facility. This is an amazing place to learn and possibly even a better area to visit. Fort Collins, Colorado is on all the best places to live lists for a reason. Whether you like trendy shops, fun restaurants, or limitless outdoor recreation, I think you'll love it here. What would you do with a fracture case like this? What if referral wasn't an option? You will learn to repair fractures successfully like this. In our Principles of Fracture Repair course, we're going to work with some of the common fractures that you'll see in clinical practice. In this course, you'll learn how to treat common fractures of the radius, ulna, femur, and tibia. When you come out of this course, you'll be able to handle many of those agonizing situations where referral just won't work. We love having the opportunity to work with you and help you grow professionally. I hope that we get to see you soon here at Colorado State University so that you can experience CE Elevated.